This video will show you how to file an order and request a summons on any domestic case, existing or new. After you've signed in to your eFlex account, from your home page, you can click here at the top, go down and select the menu which you wish to go to, or you can simply select the tab here that you wish to select. For the purpose of this video, I will select New Case, and I will talk along the way and show you, if you're filing an existing case, what you will need. We'll click Circuit. We'll go down under Case Category. We're going to click Domestic Divorce, and I will choose a divorce complaint. Here, there are children, so I'll click the Children tab. I'll go click the drop down box, select Plaintiff. As you see, the attorney name has already been populated. I'll add my plaintiff information. You do not have to worry about uppercase or lowercase. It will automatically change it. I'm putting in all my required information per the asterisk. If you have a client who is a victim of domestic violence, you would either click Unknown Address, or you can provide your information, so that way mail or any correspondence will be sent to you. For the purpose of this video, I will click Unknown Address. Here, if my client or your client goes by any other name, you would click the Add Aliases button, click the drop down and select, complete the required information, and hit Save. Here, I'll click Next. Now I'm going to go and add the defendant respondent. I'm going to complete my required information. And the same applies also here. As far as domestic violence issues, you can click Unknown Address, add a relative address or where you know that the party can be contacted. I'll click Unknown. Click Next. Here, you could click on that plus sign. It will give you the information that you've entered. If you entered an address, it would show there as well. As you see, here's all my attorney information. I'll minimize that. I'll click Next to go add my documents. My document type is already available, so now I'll go and add the divorce complaint. Click Open, Add. These documents would normally be stored on your computer or desktop. Now, I can either go directly to the document type and scroll down and click what I need, or I can go back up to document category, go down, I'm wanting to submit an order. I will click that. Normally your divorce complaint or any existing case filings would be added through this menu at that time, but I am just going to show you how to properly file a proposed show cause or restraining order with a summons request. So I'll click restraining order here. Now I will add on the additional text who is filing and who it is against. This is optional. You do not have to enter that, but I will enter that so that way I know in case I have several orders, I want to enter, make sure I am filing the correct one. So I'll browse, go to my restraining order, and the restraining order, as well as all orders, will need to be submitted in the doc form. DOCX or DOC, that's the word format. That way, if the court needs to make any changes, they are available to do that. I'll click Add. And now I'm going to go and I'm going to select my summons request. Again, here are two options. This is for without an order. This option is with order. I'll select that summons request. I'm going to go actually select certified mail. I did not provide you an address, but I possibly have one. It's just not it hasn't been confirmed yet. So I'm just going to do it certified mail. I'm going to take care of the service. I can choose that. I can choose personal service. Any of the options except sheriff. If you do not have an address, you cannot choose any of the sheriff services or secretary of state. You would need to choose private process or certified mail. Same goes for anything on existing cases or existing documents. If you don't have addresses, you would need to take care of the service yourself. And so you would still select the proper summons request. You do not have a document at this time because you are just requesting for service to be issued upon the signing of the order. We'll just click Add. As you see, service method, certified mail. Here's my attorney information here. By the plaintiff for the defendant. That's who's issuing it and who is it going to. If I wanted to actually add an address here at the time, I would select Add, select the party name, put the required information here in the fields, and I would click Add. But in this case, again, service is going to be certified mail, so I just hit cancel. Now I will hit next. Here I will select who I'm filing the documents on behalf of. I'll click Add to confirm my selections. Here, if I wish to remove the document, I can remove the document, go back, re-download another document. Here, I can click Edit Data, go back to my main screen, edit party information here. I'm going to get next to go back. I can click Edit Data here. This will take me back to my summons where I can make any modifications on this screen. So I'll hit next. That'll take me back. So now I am ready to submit my filings. I've got my complaint with my order and my summons request. Again, the same process will follow on an existing case as well. You will download your document for your existing case, petition, answer, counter, whatever selection you choose. You would download your order, and you would also request a summons. We'll click Next. Here, as you see, there is an escrow account that has been set up by this attorney. If he chooses to use a credit card, you will add your wallet item here and add your credit card information here. I'm going to select that this money come out of my escrow account. Here's also an option to go back before you submit. You can go back, change your case data, or add and remove documents. Here, you can place special instructions to the clerk. If you need a special hearing date set, you can put that. If there are other domestic issues pending, you can specify the docket number here, or anything that needs to be forwarded to the court. All that information will go in this box or field here. I'm going to submit my filing. I'm going to click OK to confirm that my submission is complete. And now I have filed a new domestic case with an order and summons request to the court.